I worked for ITB for 20 years and I learned that my name is Nate Marois. I'm the Parts and Service Manager at ITB. I have a fish tank because I like fish. I'm weird like that. They're interesting and calming. I've been working here at ITB for 20 years now. It's been great. I've learned lots. I've had lots of opportunities given to me. Lots of people have managed to see potential in me, and now I get to do the same for other people. My first role here at ITB was a production assistant. I worked in the lining department, installing insulation and lining and cargo track. Worked with a great team back then, and yeah, I still see some of those guys today when I walk through the shop. It's also particularly exciting for me that when I started working here 20 years ago, I wasn't married, I didn't have any kids, and now I'm happily married. I have got a house full of kids, and 2 of those kids are now part of Team ITB as well. So that's a proud dad moment too. I get excited, and you can ask my wife anytime an ITB unit passes us on the road. I'm sure to let everybody know that I might have worked on that unit or have seen it in the shop. What sets ITB apart is our dedication and our specific vision for custom manufacturing. We work really hard to collaborate with both our customers and their suppliers to incorporate any specialized equipment in the units, providing very specific workspaces and allowing their teams to work hard and efficiently and safely. In the next 10 years, I see ITB steadily and consistently growing. We're doing good things. We're breaking into new markets. We're developing products. We're taking care of our customers one day at a time. And we've always believed in slow and steady growth. And that's what we'll continue to do. To somebody starting brand new, I would probably say, welcome to the team. Glad you're here. Don't be afraid to tap somebody on the shoulder if you need some assistance or help. We are doing awesome things here, and it's great to have you here. You're not alone.
If ITB was a TV show, what would it be called?
Oh, according to Vince.
Love it. Fantastic. Absolutely, I agree.